What's up guys, and welcome to Ledge Point. Just doing a bit of four driving down the beach here. Been camping here over the long weekend, had a fantastic trip so far. Would definitely recommend checking it out if you've not stayed here before. Phenomenal spot, but just wanted to stop here to let you know the range is alive, working better than ever. Finally had the engine put back together and fixed, and of course the new suspension kit has been fully installed. So the issue was a little bit more serious than I was originally hoping for, and the mechanic had originally suspected the problem might be, so he thought it was just the injector seals that were leaking a bit of fuel. When he took it apart to replace those seals, he noticed a crack on one of the actual injectors, and that was where the majority of the fuel was leaking out of that injector. So of course you can't just replace one injector, had to have a brand new set fully installed. So definitely not a cheap job, but happy to report that all went in without issue, and it's now running better than ever before pretty much. I'm really stoked with the result. Definitely getting better economy, better power, and just sounds better overall. Anyway, apart from that, the new suspension kit is fully installed and I'm absolutely loving the system so far. Those Coney shocks are really living up to their expectation, but I'll save most of that review for a standalone video. I want to put together a full rundown of the new kit, let you guys know how I'm experiencing it, how I'm finding that new kit, but so far really happy with it. Anyway, just wanted to give you guys a quick update, let you know everything's well, all is good, all is back operational with the Ranger. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.